Hi, this is John, and I'll just be showcasing the visualization I did for assignment 4. So what I did is I visualized my data points from assignment 2, which is just the latitude and longitude taken every second from my Lewis trip from Phibsborough to Trinity. And then the size of the circle here for each data point is determined by the speed of the track. That's the analysis I performed for this. Basically what I do is I just take the latitude and longitude, get the difference, and then convert that to meters, divide that by time to get the meters per second. I also have highlighted here the API data that I take from for assignment 3, which is just the Lewis API data, which shows you the next due tram in minutes for each of these Lewis stops. So you can see here that we have larger circles where the Lewis is less busy, and then smaller circles in the city centre where it's a bit more busy. The reason I created this application was just because I wanted to have real-time information on where the Lewis is, and that's what I've done pretty much. So for the extra features for this assignment, I've done 2 extra features. The first is that I use Google Maps API to basically draw a recommended journey highlighted in these blue lines. You can see here we have the transit journey, which just follows the Lewis, one for walking and then one for driving. So the second extra feature that I did was just I used a linear model using this train of data of my latitude and the time of the point to predict how long it's going to take from a prediction point to get to its destination. So for this prediction point here, it said that it would take around 7 minutes and 7 seconds, which is pretty good. It actually ended up being 7 minutes and 50 seconds. So also for this assignment, we're required to basically showcase 2 instances of our app running in real time. So what I'm going to do here is just run this instance, and then I'll have another instance here run. So if we look at our database right now, we have 4 types of information. We have our API data, app data, and then the fusion of these 2 data types. But now after running the app for a few seconds, if I stop one instance, so it's uploading in real time. So I only have to stop one, and I'll just run this version to update the map. You can see now when we reload the database, one of these instances is still running and it'll still get updated. You can see here we have now our latitude and longitude points along with the speed of the tram and just track information for both the users. So I'm obviously not on Lewis right now because I'm making this demo. So I just gave it 2 dummy points of Croke Park and Trinity. And now you can see Croke Park and Trinity have been highlighted by these points. So yeah, that's my application, and thank you for watching.